In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to perform a diagnostic test on the transmitter for the RTD-SC4 trench roller. We're first going to turn the transmitter on by twisting the emergency lock function. On the bottom of the transmitter, this is your information screen. We got two push buttons. I'm going to push both push buttons at the same time and then let go. This gets me into the diagnostic mode. From here, I'm going to press the enter button. Now I can test multiple functions on the transmitter. I can test my analog actuators, which are my left and right paddles, and my forward and reverse paddles, and digital inputs or digital actuators, which are toggle switches and push buttons on the transmitter. We're going to first test the analog actuators. I'm going to press the enter button. And on the information screen here, we're going to watch the values. The first set of values right here is going to be my actuator identification. The second value is going to be my binary value of the actuator position. So if I hold my left paddle, I have my identifier, 01, it's a safety actuator. 27 represents 100% position of my left paddle. I bring it back to neutral. Zeros represent a neutral position. If I move it all the way to the right position, again, I should read 127. I can do the same thing for forward and reverse. I pull the paddle backwards. 02S, 02 is my forward reverse paddle. It's a safety actuator represented by the S. And my 100% value is 127. Back to neutral, 0. Forward, 127. So I've just tested my analog actuators. I'm going to then test my digital actuators by navigating down to 1.2. Press the check mark. And now I can activate my toggle switches and push buttons on the transmitter. So I'm going to first activate my engine speed toggle switch. I'm going to watch my values on the left side of the information screen. So we're going to toggle from low engine speed to high engine speed, and we see the change from 02 to 03 and back to 02. This represents a good toggle switch. Do the same thing for excitation. High vibration, 05. Back down to low vibration, 04. Again, that toggle switch is working and functioning. Now my engine speed, or travel speed I mean, 06 to 07. So that toggle switch is functioning. Now I got to test my 3 push buttons. First it's going to be engine start. So if I press the engine start, momentary push button. 01. Steering mode. 19. And horn, 08. Those 3 push buttons are functioning as we see the values change. And again, back to the start function. There's additional diagnostic pages in the information screen here related to the transmitter. If I page down to 1.3, this is a rotary encoder. This is not used on the RTD-SC4 trench rollers, so not applicable to our machines. The next page, 1.4, this is the pitch and roll angle of the transmitter and impact of the transmitter. So built internally, there's a pitch and roll angle sensor, and this can be read on the diagnostic screen here to make sure that functionality of the transmitter does work. If I want to look at my pitch and roll, press the enter button, and I can read the current position of the transmitter. So right now with the transmitter in the position, if I turn the transmitter left, you can see the values change. If I move it to the right, that angle position changes. Same thing if I roll it forward versus backwards, I am reading that angle of change built internal into the transmitter. So that functionality is working on the transmitter. For more information, visit the Wacker Neuson University or contact your local dealer.